Right, we're now going to solve the equation 3 cos squared x minus 10 cos x plus 3 is equal to 0 for x being between 0 and 360. So writing out the equation, and we're solving it between 0 and 360. Now, you could either use the quadratic solver on your calculator, or you can factorize it for yourself. Now, one way to factorize it is to say this. The product is 3 times 3. So take that number there and that number there, it gives you 9. And the sum is minus 10. That's the middle number there. You want two numbers which make plus 9 when you multiply them together, but make minus 10 when you add them together. These are called the factors. With a bit of trial and improvement, you will come up with minus 9 and minus 1. Because minus 9 times minus 1 gives me plus 9, that's okay. And then minus 9 plus minus 1 gives me minus 10. Then you take the quadratic, you write down the first part, which is 3 cos squared x. And now you're going to split up the minus 10 cos x into minus 9 cos x and then minus 1 cos x. We haven't changed the meaning, that's still got minus 10 there. You've got the plus 3 at the end is equal to 0. And then we factorise by what's known as grouping. So the common factor here, when you group these together, is going to be 3 cos x, the highest common factor. And that will leave me a cos x there and a minus 3 there. Just check. 3 cos x times cos x gives me 3 cos x squared. 3 cos x times minus 3 gives me minus cos x. Bring down that minus sign, and then we factorise that. Now, there isn't any common factor there except 1. But when I put the brackets in, this sign here will become a, will become a minus. Think about it, minus 1 times minus 3 will give you back plus 3. So, factorise out, we're going to get cos x minus 3, because it's now a common factor, and then we're left with 3 cos x minus 1 in the other bracket. Right, so either cos x minus 3 is equal to 0, which gives that cos x is equal to 3. Now that's just not possible, because the highest value that cos x can be is 1. Therefore, we'll just say it's not possible. Or 3 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives that 3 cos x is 1, and cos x is equal to 1/3. Cos to the minus 1 of 1/3 is 70.5. And then if we do our South Asian Tennis Club, we want to know where cos is positive. Cos is positive in the first and the fourth quadrant. So we draw our angles in there, making our angle with the x-axis, 70.5. And another angle here at 70.5. So the first value of x will be 70.5. The second one will be 180 minus 70.5. So it's this orange one here. It'll be, 360 minus 70.5. And that's going to give me x is 70.5 or 289.5. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to solve a quadratic in cos x. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.